Uncle Dibbz Shrimp Alfredo, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that King Creole blend. First, boil your favorite pasta noodles. Then add olive oil to a hot skillet. Add your shrimp. Then for flavor, we're using that King Creole blend from UncleDibbz.com. Cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, then set the shrimp to the side. In that same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup each of red and green bell pepper. Add a cup of chicken broth. You can use white wine if you like. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Then go ahead and whip that thing up. Grate 1 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese and add it to the Alfredo sauce. Add some more of that King Creole blend and simmer on low. Grab your pasta, throw it in there. Don't forget your shrimp and then a little bit of parsley. Boom. That's good, shorty.